Hello children, welcome back to Max Tips for All. Let's continue with fundamental concepts including fundamental operations, exercise 13A, part 7. Polynomial. Let's know what is polynomial and what are the set of rules that need to be satisfied to check whether the given statement or given algebraic expression is polynomial or not. Firstly, an algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial if it satisfies the 5 conditions. Let's know about them in detail. Exponent of every term in it is a whole number. The exponent, the power of a term should be whole number. Okay, it's very easy. So let's consider the example. If for this term x, it should have a exponent of whole number. The power should be a whole number. Okay. Next, the exponent of any term is exponent of any term of it is not a fraction. So the exponent power should not be in a fraction. That is, it should not be, let's take example, x to the power of 1 by 2. It should not have a fractions in its power. Okay. Next condition, exponent of any term of it is not a variable. The exponent should not be variable. That means 3 should not have a exponent of x. The power should not be a variable. X is a variable, right? So it should not contain a variable like this. Exponent of a term should not be negative. So the power should not be negative. That means x to the power of minus 2. It should not be like this. X to the power of minus 2. It should not be like this. Okay. Next, last term. Term should not contain any square roots. That means in algebraic expressions, you should not get a square root of x, square root of 2. Those kind of terms should not be there. Okay. So friends, before knowing about this polynomials, to check whether the expression is a polynomial or not, you should understand this 5 set of rules. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the examples. Be thorough in this 5 set of rules. Which of the following expression is a polynomial? So we need to identify whether it's a expression is a polynomial or not. Here, 8x to the power of 3 divided by 5 plus 7. In this, C does not have any negative power or a variable or a fractions and so on, right? So this one is a polynomial because it satisfies all the 5 polynomial rules. So it is a polynomial. So the statement is true. Okay, let's move on to the second example. 8x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 3 root x minus 4. In previously, when I was explaining this 5 set of rules, I already said that we should not use, the expression should not contain square root, right? The polynomial should not contain square root, and this expression has square root, so it does not come under polynomial. So the statement is false. Let's move on to the third one. 8x to the power of 3 minus 8 by x to the power of 3 plus 15. Is this a polynomial or not? Most of them get confused in this. This statement can be written as like this. 8x to the power of 3 minus 8x to the power of minus 3. When this 3 comes to the top, it becomes minus 3 plus 15. So in the set of rules, I already explained you that the variable should not contain a negative exponent, right? Here x variable is having a negative exponent of minus 3. See, the exponent of a variable x is minus 3, that is x to the power of minus 3. It should not contain minus 3. So it is not a polynomial, hence the statement is false. Next, 5x to the power square plus 3x minus 4x plus 18. See, in this I already explained in the set of rules. Be thorough in that, then only you can identify whether the statement is polynomial or not. 3 to the power of x. Here I previously said that it should not contain an exponent of a variable. Right? It is containing the exponent of a variable. I am explaining you once again what is variable means. Alphabets x, y, z, m, and let it be any alphabet. It is called as variable. Here the power is variable. So it's not a polynomial. And hence the statement is false. Last one. 7x square y to the power of 3 minus 18 divided by x to the power of 3 plus 7 divided by y to the power of square plus 4xy. Here x cube, you can write the statement as minus 18 x to the power of minus 3. Oh, I am writing only about this term. This term has, we can write like this, right? So when you write it, the term like this, see, it is getting a negative sign. The exponent is negative. So you should not have a negative exponent. That's why this is not a polynomial and the statement is false. I hope you understood the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Check the description box for the fundamental concepts, including fundamental operations. Thank you.